Grinding tools of valve seat for marine 4-stroke diesel engine. This grinding tool is designed for diesel engine cylinder head valve seats repairing work. It can be used for grinding and repairing the contact surface of the valve seat. First, let's introduce the components of the tool. Number 1, reamer with the same sealing angle as the valve seat. We call it as angle reamer. Number 2, reamer is using for adjust the width of the valve seat. Number 3, reamer is using for grinding the contact surface of the valve seat and valve spindle. Number 4, reamer is using for adjusting upper surface width of the valve seat. We will supply the matching grind tool according to your engine model. Firstly, please insert the assembled angle reamer into the valve stem guide sleeve hole. Then rotate the number 1 reamer clockwise until the corrosion or dent on the valve seat is removed. And then use the number 2 reamer to grind and adjust the width of the valve seat. The third step, we use the number 3 reamer to grind the contact surface of the valve seat and valve spindle. If the surface with the valve seat is out of standard, we need to use the number 4 reamer to grind the upper surface of valve seat. We can adjust the length of the reamer slightly until the contact surface width turn into 2.5 minus 3.5 m. All these work done, please grind the valve seat with valve spindle gently until the surfaces are contacted intimately.